Another short lesson courtesy of me, Henry, from A-STEM Tutoring. So just want to share a fun photo today, just another image of a teacher in math class. So today we will discuss how to solve a rational equation. So let's go over to the whiteboard. The whiteboard, here we go. So suppose we have this equation. X over 4 plus x over 12 equals 5 over 3. All these different fractions make the problem more difficult to solve. A simple way to get rid of them is to multiply everything by the lowest common denominator. Between 3, 4, and 12, the LCD, the lowest common denominator, is 12, because 12 can, of course, divide by 12, and it can also divide by 4 or by 3. So we multiply the entire equation by 12. If you multiply x over 4 times 12, along this diagonal we can cancel. 4 divided by 4 is 1. 12 divided by 4 is 3. So we get a 3x over here. X over 12 times 12 is, of course, x. And then 5 over 3 times 12. Well, along this diagonal, we can cross cancel again. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 12 divided by 3 is 4. So we get 5 times 4 is 20. And the next step, we combine like terms. 3x plus x. If you have 3 cars and you add one more car, how many do you have? 4 cars. So this is 4x equals 20. Now we can simply divide both sides by the coefficient of x. Divide by 4. Divide by 4 on the right as well. Over here, the 4's cancel. And we have x equals 20 divided by 4 is 5. Now let's verify our answer. 5 over 4 plus 5 over 12. We need to convert these to a common denominator. We can use 12, which means we multiply the 5 over 4 times 3 over 3, and we get 15 over 12 plus 5 over 12 equals 20 over 12. And that does in fact reduce to 5/3. So we know the solution x equals 5 is correct. This has been a simple lesson in how to solve a rational equation in one variable. If you'd like to learn more, I am available for hire as a private tutor. The first 1-hour lesson is free for all new students. Try before you buy. You take no financial risk. The burden of proof is entirely on me to demonstrate value in helping you succeed. Also, as a thank you for watching to the end of this video, in your initial contact with me, mention the code FREEBOOK. That's the code FREEBOOK. And at our first tutoring session, I will give you a free copy of my book, Smart Suggestions for Student Success. This is a book I wrote in an effort to share advice and wisdom with the younger generation, and especially to help students, high school students and college students, succeed in school, in work, and in life. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.